Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe InDesign, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today, guys, is show you how to place imagery within inside of text. A really cool idea that you can implement across many forms of your designs, and it's a very simple process for you to follow. So what I'm going to do is just take our selection tool here. I'm just going to select the top, everything here, just press backspace to delete. And I have a preset rectangle that I covered the whole artboard over with, and I put in a preset gradient that I built earlier. And what I'm going to do is just lock this to the artboard, to the page here. The shortcut to do that on InDesign is Command L on Mac or Control L on Windows. Now, what I need to do is come through and use my type tool here, and let's just create a frame. I'm going to probably put it to around 100 in the size of the text. Let's write it. So we're going to say sun, sky. Let's see. I think it's the other way around. Sun, sea, and sky. Okay. So then what I'm going to do is just highlight the text here and just create a sort of use a thicker font. So I've got one that I've downloaded from the font already, preset in there for me, called Lemon Milk. Now, we're just going to get that centrally aligned there. Perfect. And maybe increase the size of this to, let's say, around 150. Yeah, nice. I will be getting the placement of this better sorted later. But what I want to do is manually be able to increase the size of this. So I'm going to use my free transform tool to do that. I'm going to press Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows to resize from the center point whilst pressing Shift, just to increase the size of the text there. Wonderful. Now, what we need to do is sort of like create the text into a frame for us to be able to place an image inside of it. It's very easy. Just select it with your selection tool. When it comes to type, and we have create outlines. And then what I'm going to do is ungroup everything. So go right click, ungroup. I'm just going to select our top word here. The keyboard shortcut to place an image inside of a frame inside of InDesign is Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. Just going to take that there, and I'm going to press this one here, okay, and wait for it to be placed in there. Now, the placement of the image is not particularly that good, so you can use your selection tool, this navigator here, and you can move the image inside of the text. But I'm going to use our little pre-option here of content-aware fit to place the image inside of it. What that means is InDesign is determining the best bits of the image for you and placing them in proportion within inside of the frame. Do the same thing now with our C option here. So just select it, Command D, and let's use our C. Perfect. Wonderful. Let's set this one here. Yeah, again, Command D. And we're going to choose this image here and use our content aware fit option, like so. And let's just make sure we get everything grouped up again. So I'm going to select everything here like so. By pressing Shift and clicking. Just going to press a shortcut Command G on Mac or Control G on Windows just to group these up. And let's just get the placement of this sorted out correctly. I'm going to get the align option window here. Just going to make sure that I'm aligned to the page. Wonderful. And I'm just going to make sure we have little movements like so. Perfect. So it's all nicely, correctly aligned. And there you have it, guys. That's how you place imagery with inside of text in InDesign. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.